Welcome everyone. Recently I had this issue where, I was charging both AirPods Pros. However, when I took both out and put them both in my ear, only one of them was recognized. Now there are a bunch of issues why this can happen, so I'm going to cover every single fix in this video, and by the end you should have both AirPods Pro properly working. So the first issue, which I just want to cover, is that the charging connector might be obstructed by dust or dirt, whatever. So I have this all the time with my left AirPod. I'll pull it in and it doesn't actually charge. And so what happens is over time, your left AirPod or right one is died. And when you pull it back in the case, it isn't actually charging. So when you take it out again, because it's dead, this one isn't going to be connected. However, the right one, because it was charging fine, will be connected. So all we need to do is just blow inside of here. Now if you have the normal AirPods, just blow in the same area. Try and find the connector and just blow in there. So I'll just blow. And I just did both just to be sure. And you can see when I connect the AirPods in, it's now connected and it should be charging. So if I just, let me just open the lid and you should be able to see both AirPods are charging. Now just make sure that both are charging and then you should be good to go. Now the second reason is that your AirPod case has died, and a similar reason, but I've just charged the case, right? So we're not going to brush over that. Now the next reason is YouTube Music, Google applications. Essentially, there's a bug where if you're, let's say, watching a YouTube video, so I'll just go out here. Let's say I'm watching this video, and we're playing it. Then I connect my AirPods in. There's a bug with the YouTube app, and this also happens with where only audio comes out of one AirPod and not the other. So this is a software bug with the application. The fix is to just close out the application, reload, and obviously make sure your AirPods or AirPods Pro are connected. Then just tap on this again or whatever, and then you should have the audio fully working without fail on one of the AirPods. Now the final reason this could happen is because one of the AirPods is faulty. Now this really shouldn't happen, but it could. So I'm going to go and show you how to get your AirPods Pro replaced. So remember, you have a free 1-year replace period for your AirPods Pro, completely free, right? And I use this personally. These are actually replacement AirPods, as my original ones had, full. The right one, it was like really buggy, and like the when I pull out my ear, sometimes it wasn't detected. So Apple replaced them completely for free. So you just need to get the Apple Support app right here, and then just wait for this to load. Oh, okay, apparently this app isn't going to load. It's probably because I'm jailbroken or something. But then you just find your AirPods and then you'll be able to file a claim there. I don't know why this isn't loading. Oh, update available, that's why. But that's what I did personally. I did this on my iPad to get replacement as well. My iPad's sold now. So that is all you really need to do to fix one or the other AirPod not working. So that's what I do personally. And the first two issues, well, in fact all three fixes have worked for me personally, and so hopefully they will also work for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.